One of our portfolio companies went from stuck to $10 million per year in 4 months. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the actual marketing and sales tactics we use so that you can apply those things to your business too. So one of the newer companies in our portfolio was doing about $570,000 per month, and they had plateaued there month after month after month for about 6 months. So let's start with marketing. So we had in this business a webinar-based business, meaning it's running ads to a video that the founder would get on and basically pitch a call to find out more. All right, so I'm gonna give you current state. So our show rate for this webinar was 18%, which is really not good. You want it to be 25 or kind of higher. The schedule rate from the webinar, meaning people who booked to then take a sales call, I actually don't have that number, but we did improve it. So I'll tell you what we ended up doing. And before we made these changes, we were getting 58 calls booked per webinar, all right? So that's where we started. So the problem starting with this was the show rate. So the issue is that we were only doing one time per week for the founder. So they'd only wanted to do kind of like one pitch per week. And the issue is that means that if somebody books on, let's call it Monday, and she does the webinar on Sunday, then it means all of this time in between is where people could forget about it, get busy, fall off, and essentially just not show up, even though we paid to get the opt-in.